Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tarja V. So in this video, I wanted to share a little bit of fall inspiration. I'm going to decorate my kitchen for fall. So if you're looking for some ideas, stick around, watch this video. I'm gonna do a quick cleaning and then I'm gonna decorate the kitchen area. So let's jump into this video. First up, I'm going to wipe down my kitchen countertop and my Keurig. I did pour some Lysol in the Method spray bottle to disinfect my countertop, so I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to move on to the other side and wipe down that area as well, just to get the kitchen nice and clean for my fall decor. It's always nice to have a nice clean kitchen, especially at night, and then when you get up in the morning, it's nice, fresh and clean, and you could just start your day positively. So my countertop is nice and clean. Both sides of my kitchen has been sanitized and wiped down. I did also wipe my floor. So now we're going to start decorating this area. The black tray that you guys see, I got that from HomeGoods for $14.99. I love the texture on the inside as well. The bud vase that you see, I got that from Target for about $11.99, I believe. And the floral arrangements I got from HomeGoods, as well as the honey pot I got from Amazon. And then the pumpkin candle I got from HomeGoods for $12.99. So I really love the way this vignette came out. This decorative tray I got from HomeGoods a while back. Next, I'm going to hang my frame art that I got from Joann's. I love this art. It's super cute, very modern and minimalist at the same time, and I also love the wording. It says, "Do small things with great love," and fall is just the perfect season to spread love, and it's just such a cozy, warm season. So I really love the wording on the frame art. Next up, I'm going to decorate the top of my refrigerator. I wanted to keep it simple. I didn't want to play with too many colors, so I'm going to decorate it with this carriage I got from Tuesday Morning, this frosted pumpkin I got from HomeGoods, and as well as this pumpkin, it has like a texture on there. So I really love the way the top of my refrigerator looks. This area, I wanted to add a little bit of color as well. I'm going to place my utensils here, as well as a pumpkin candle and the bud vase that I got from Target. I'm going to add some floral arrangement just to add a pop of color in this area. For it, 'cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. I do anything. This sign I got from Joann's. I love the saying, give thanks. As always, not only fall is a good season to give thanks, but you should give thanks year round. So I really love this. It's a nice reminder to always give thanks and be grateful for what you have. Since all my cooking necessities go on this side, I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I'm just going to place my cooking oil, my syrup, and then I did pick up this fall leaf type figurine from Joann's. So just to add a little bit of fall decor in this area. So I'm pretty much done and my kitchen is all decorated. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just stick around and you'll see what I actually did to my kitchen for fall. To show you my intention, my brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitments of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know, if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.